closer. I'm Hannah from Singletrack. We have a very small prize to give away today with a big name. It's the Dyna Plug Mega Pill. And there will be one of these to give away today and also in the Mega Sack.
Mega Sack.
So let's have a look inside. We have a nice little purse, shall we call it? We'll talk to my raccoon here. Is it a purse, raccoon, or is it a wallet? Yeah. And inside there we have the Mega Pill. Now the Mega Pill from Dyna Plug is a tubeless repair tool, and you might well have seen Dyna Plugs before. They come in various different sizes. So this one is a bit bigger than some of the ones they do. It's got lots of things going on inside here. So if you were on the side of the trail, at this point all you'd need to do is plug your hole in your tyre with this. And, oh, I'm shivering a little bit. Shall I confess that it's quite cold in here? And if you plugged the hole in your tyre, then this little noodle, I want to get it out, it's designed obviously to come out on the inside of your tyre. Little noodle comes out, and so you've got this metal end with a little black sticky noodle that's in there that will plug the hole in your tyre. Now, if you're having a really bad day, you might have more than one puncture on your ride, and that's where all of these come in. So these are all pre-loaded noodles, Dyna Plugs. And as you can see, these ones have pointy ends, kind of a little bit easier to get into some of the smaller holes that you might have. And then like these ones are bigger ones. And you just unscrew that and replace it. And then when you get home, you can buy replacement ends, reload them back up, and that's where your pipe cleaner comes in, because you want to make sure that your sticky, rubbery tyre repair is actually going to come out of your tools. So you clean them out with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and reload, ready for the next very unfortunate ride if you have to use all of these. And also in here is a little eeny-weeny knife for fighting off elves on the trail, or for cutting off any little bit of excess of your rubber that might be there once you've fixed your fixed your tyre. That's the word I'm looking for. It's really cold in here. I've got brain freeze. So I'll put that in the wrong way round. I'm going to stab myself with a little elf knife. Okay. So load these all back up. This is $59.99 if you were to buy one, and you might win it. That means you don't need to spend any money at all. You just need to go to singletrackworld.com, look for the question. It'll be somewhere in all this nonsense I've been talking just now, and answer it. And then you might win the Dyna Plug Mega Pill today. Or you might win the Dyna Plug Mega Pill in the Mega Sack.
Mega Sack.
Great. Go on. Go. Do it. Bye. Well, you might need to do some editing there. Since I broke it. I couldn't get it out. It was too sticky. Couldn't get my plug out. It was too sticky.